To manually add a timestamp to a photo on your Samsung Galaxy A07, you need to just go ahead and open up the Gallery app. Find the photo and select it, then tap on Edit. In the editing menu, tap on this emoji icon with a pencil to open up the text menu, and then simply select text. From here, go ahead and just type in the timestamp you want to add, and then use these options to customize the font as well as any other options in the text. Once you finish customizing the text, you can then just tap on an empty space and then hold and press and just move it to whatever position you want. If you want to re-edit it, just tap on it once and you can just re-edit it to your liking. Once you're happy with how it looks like and you're happy with the size of it as well, so you can use the handles to make it bigger or smaller, all you need to do is simply tap on Save to apply the changes. You can choose to save as copy or you can just save over the original. So let's just choose to save as copy. And then you'll see the image that you've successfully added a timestamp, and then you'll also have the original. So that is how you can manually add a timestamp to an image on your Galaxy A07. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.